Hello everyone and welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix missing matches or messages on Tantan. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Now after this, simply restart your app. Completely close the Tantan app and reopen it again. Another thing you can do is update the app. Simply go to the Play Store and search for Tantan. And if you see any update, simply update the app. Another step is restart your phone. Restarting your phone to fix any app or network issues. If the problem is still not fixed, reach out to Tantan's support team via the app. So that's it. They should help resolve missing messages or matches. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.